Hi YouTube, this is Kathy, Chatty Kathy, and I'm here to install my WOLO Animal House PA system. To my 2010 F-250 pickup truck. So I hope this is going to be some helpful information to helping you install your PA system. So first, we're going to locate the fuse box, which is going to be down here on the passenger side, under the dash right here. I'm going to take this off and find the accessory fuse in the fuse box. So I removed the panel to where I can access my fuse box, and there is my fuse box. We're going to be looking for a 12-volt accessory fuse. I removed the case from it. There is nothing that tells me really anything on here, so I'm going to have to go to my owner's manual and find that fuse. It is somewhere in here. In my owner's manual would be fuse number 2. Fuse number 2 is a 15 amp, not used. It's a spare, so I'm going to use 2. So I've located the number 2 fuse, this one right here. Oh my gosh, everybody, just get you a fuse remover, because that took me longer to remove that fuse than it is going to take me to install the PA system. Yeah, make sure you have the tools that you need. It's not much. It'll save you a lot of time and headache. So I have the wire down in the hole for the fuse that I want to use. And just like that, that part is done. Now to place the ground wire somewhere metal. It looks like that might be my spot. All right, guys, I've got the fuse put back in. I've got the grounded up under there after I cleaned out the rust. This is just a test to whether or not it's going to work. So I don't have all the wiring and everything done like I want to. So let's see what happens. Oh, that's loud. Oh, that's got great sound. We're about 50 feet away from the truck. Oh yeah, I think it passed the test. But look what happened when I did that. My power windows stopped working.